Shake hands, shake hands. Double. Kuha ng king of kings po ang ball possession natin. Going inbound. Robert. That bola. Pass to Palog. Palog, didiskarte, sumalaksak. 2 points made by Palog. Jersey number 11, ball, pass to Vance, pass to Ponce, tumirang West, no good, rebound by Largo, pass to Palog, nagmamadali, penetrate, pass to Leo, 2 points made by Leo, good pass. Jersey number 13, grabs the ball, pass to Ponce. Pass to Potsky, to diskarte, 2 points made by Potsky. Along, grabs the ball, mamadali.
Don't boss it!
Turnover po. Red ball po ngayon, red ball. Boy. To Bakalan. Alan, diskarte. Balik to Koy. Koy, tumira ng tres. Go good. Rebound by Largo. Pass to Robert. Pass to Leo. Pass to Palog. Pass to Ronnie. Pass to Largo. Pass to Leo. Wala. Out of bounds. Red ball. Ating boy score, 4-2. Lamang ng 2 points ang King of Kings. Vance, baba ng bola. To Pamangkalan. So good. Rebound by Koy. Tumira ng dos. Wala. Rebound by Lago. Tapik ni Ponce. Foul number zero foul. Number 20. First personal foul. Jersey number 20. First team foul. Leo, tumirang tres. Wala. Out of bounds. Bola po ngayon ng pula. Pass to Koy. 2 points made by Koy. Along. Grabs the ball. Pass to Largo. Binalik kay Palog. Naistila ni Koy. Naghahanap na ang kampi, Koy. Naistil din ni Palog. Nagmamadali. Pass to Ronnie. 2 points made by Jersey number 40. Koy. Wala. Rebound by Leo. Pass to Palog. Pass to Leo. Nagawa ng bola. Koy. Mamadali. Pass to Potsky. 2 points made by Potsky. Tabla po ang ating puntos. Along. Pass to Largo. Tumira ng dos. Wala. Nice. So good. Alog. Wala ang bola. Jump ball. Ang bola ay mananatili sa pupunan ng wide. Wait. Ano yun dito? Red ball. Sorry. Oo, tama. Oy. Foul, jersey number 7. First personal foul. First team foul. Makalang, pass to Koy. Pass to Vance. Sablay, Koy. Makalang, no good. Out of bounds. Time out. Red team.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ballgame. Bola po ng white ball. Ng white. Picnic. Out of bounds. Sa bola ay mananatili sa puti. Inbound. Palog. No good. Rebound by Ronnie. Wala. Nakuha ni Potski. Sinaharap ni Largo. Potski. Pass to Vance. Nataranta. Wala. Alog. Defensive foul. Jersey number 11. Blocking foul, sorry. First personal foul. Jersey number 11. Second team foul. Largo. Pass to Leo. Double team. Pass to Nick. Tumira ng 3. 3 points made by Nick. Kate. Tumira din ang 3. Mabawawi ba? No good. Rebound by Leo. Alog. Magmamadali. Kuha na move. 2 points. Ay, palo. Ay, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Leo. Hinaharas. As to Ronnie. Foul, jersey number 25. First personal foul, jersey number 5. Third team foul. Two free throw para kay jersey number 14. First draw. No good. Second draw. One point. Ronnie. Vance. Balang bola, Vance. Hindi starte. Tumalaksak, nawala ang bola. Buti nga, nakuha ni Potski. 2 points, made by Potski. Ayo. Pass to Escurial. Wala ang bola. Kuha ni Palog. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Hindi pa, hindi pa. Hindi pa. Ah, oh, naka-time out na, naka-time out na. Oh. Dribbling violation. Ang bola po ay mapupunta sa puti. Palog. Wala bola. Leo, libre-libre. So good. Pinaras ng dalawa. Nakuha ng red ang bola. Ponce. Pass to Koy. Diskarte. 2 points. Ay, Koy. Leo. 2 points. 2 points para kay Leo. Koy, tumira ng 3. Wasak pati na 3. Counted. Buzzer beater yun. Napakaganda naman. To the bogey. Pisa na po ang ating second quarter. Ang bola ay sa puti. White ball. Inbound by Jerry. Pass to Ronnie. Pass to Burse. Short. Burse. 2 points made by Burse. Ano yung foul? Foul, jersey number baliktaran, 69. Personal foul, first team foul.
Stop.
Jersey number 11, in. Jersey number 14, out. Koy. Pass to Pamakalan, tumira ng 3. Lugo. Palog, nagmamadali. Palog. Sumalaksak. Foul, jersey number 6. Jersey number 11. Second personal foul. First team foul. First row, good. Oh, jumpers ready. Second draw, good. Pamakalan, pass to one twice. 2 points made by one grass. Alog, pass to Escorial. Naistila ng bola. One guys, sumamadali. Nawala ang bola, nakuha yung Palog. Dire-diretso. Pass to Escorial. Taging ako ang buko 1-5, easy 2 points. Made by one guys. Isa na po ang kalamangan ng King of Kings. Palog, Diskarte. Palog, pass to Jerry. Pass to Burse. Pinilit. 2 points made by Burse. Oy, libre, tumira ng 3. So good. Rebound by Palog. Nagmamadali. What a move. Ay, Palog. Amalan. Foul, jersey number 16. First personal foul. Para kay jersey number 16. Palong. 2-4. Ay, Palong.
Moy, may iskol ako dyan, Moy. Moy, may iskol ako.
Another 1 point para kay Palong.
Moy, lagyan mo
3-point play. Dulce. Koy, tubiran tres. Wasak pati matres. 3 points. Made by Koy. Steal by Koy. Koy. Tumira ulit ng tres. So good. Rebound by Palog. Palog. Nakuha ang bola. Nagmamadali. Hop. Preno muna. Pass to Jerry. Reverse shot. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Same ball. Time out now. Time out. Time out. Red team. Abuel. Back to Leo. 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 Shoot. Leo. Once. Mira. Very good. Rebound by Leo. Pakani Koy. Pass to Polski. Pass to one pass. Very good. Leo. Pass to Palog. Palog. Wow, move. 2 points made by Palog. So good. One abroad bola. Robert. Pass to Palog. Palog, tumira ng tres. So good. Rebound by Potski. Potski. Pass to Koy. Koy. Penetrate. 2 points made by Koy. Out of bounds. Ay isang puti. Turnover ang red team. Palog. Ito Burse. Burse. Palog. Tumira ang tres. Lumulobo na po ang ating kalabangan. Labang na po kayo ng King of Kings ng 10 puntos. Potski. Potski. Dumiskarte. Wala. Wala ang bola. Kuha kami Palog. Palog. Foul. Jersey number 23. First personal foul. Second chip out. Leo. Check. Kuha ang bola. Ponce. 2 points made by one glass. Leo. Palog. Joel. Wala. Tira ng tres. No good. Out of bounds, out of bounds. Ang bola ay mananatili sa kupunan ng pula. Substitution, jersey number 14 in, jersey number 10 out. Substitution, jersey number 11 in. Still by Robert. Escorial. 2 balls made by. Oy. Wala. Oy, tumira ng tres. So good. Rebound by Vance. Vance. 2 balls made by Vance. Leo, hinaharas. Leo, pass to Burse. Bitawan ng bola. Burse. Tira, Burse. Scoriel. Scoriel. Penetrate. Wala. Rebound by Leo. Leo. 10 to shoot. So good. End of the second quarter. Back to the ball game. Amalan. Pass to Ponce. Back to Amalan. Pass to Koy. Koy. So good. Rebound by Ponsky. Inaras. 2 points made by Ponsky. Palog. Diniscarte. Palog. Tumira ng tres. So good. Rebound by one pass. Nice. No good. Rebound by Palog. Palog, nagmamadali. Baba! Sorry. So Palog, Palog. No good. Palog. 2 points. Made Palog. Amalan, tumira. Good. Tapik ni Pounds. Ang bola ay... Ayun ang bola. White ball. Palog. Pass to Abul. Abul. Pass to Largo. Largo. Pass to Burse. Burse. Back to Largo. Largo. Pass to Ronnie. Ronnie. Tumira ang tres. No good. Ponsky. Rebound ni Ponsky. Ponsky. Nagmamadali. Umigot. Foul. Jersey number 29. First personal foul. Jersey number 29. First team foul. Oy. So good. Balog. Rory. Burse. Nag-hesitate. So Rory. Pinaras ng tatlo. Foul. Jersey number 14. First personal foul.
Second.
Team foul. Ponce. Podski. Masyado malakas. Nakuha ni Ronnie. Palog. Foul. Jersey number 5.
Ilang Joel?
Second personal foul. Jersey number 25. First team foul para sa ating third quarter. 2 shots para kay jersey number 10. First round. So good. Second round. Wala. Nakuha ng puti ang bola. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Bola ngayon ang bola. Poy. Counted. 2 points made by jersey number 11. Shot para kay jersey number 11. First personal foul, jersey number 8. Third team foul para sa kupunan ng Kings of Kings. Jersey number 8. Pass to Jerry. Naras. Foul, jersey number 20. Second personal foul. Second team foul para sa ating third quarter. Jerry. Naras. Tumira. No good. Coy. Pass to Pakamalan. 2-4. Made by Pakamalan. Two points made by Leo.
Dead ball, time out.
Good. Leo, kuha ang bola.
Gitna.
2 points by timeout. White team.
Sa atin. Pagbawa sila.
White ball. Inbound, pass to Jerry, pass to Palog, diskarte, Palog, ginaras. Foul, jersey number 25. Third personal foul, third team foul para sa kupunan ng The Threats. Out of bounds. Ang bola mananatili sa kupunan ng puti. Aki, Dargo, tumira, so good. Bola. Kaso nga lang, malakas ang pasa. Balik sa kupunan ng Kings of Kings ang bola. Ronnie inbound the ball. Pass to Leo. Kalmahan lang daw. Palog, dinodouble team. Koy. Koy, tumira ng tres. So good. Rebound by Ice. Pass to Takamalan. One guys, tumira. No good. Rebound by Ronnie. Ronnie, pass to Leo. 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 2 points. Made by Leo. Pass. Forty-two 33 ang ating score. Ponce. So good. Foul. Jersey number 8. Second first foul. Jersey number 8. Side ball. Side ball. Jersey number 8. Second personal foul. 14 foul para sa kupunan ng Kings of Kings. Warning for penalty na po ang kupunan ng Kings of Kings. Koy, tumira, no good. Potsky. Potsky, pinilit. 2 points made by Potsky. Warning for penalty na po ang kupunan ng Kings of Kings. Move, Leo, diskarte. Leo. Si Jerry. Tumira, no good. Rebound by Leo. Tumira, no good. Ano po? Nice. Pass to June. Koy. Ang ganda na yun. Kaso hindi nakashoot. Palog. Pass to Leo. 2 points made by jersey number 22. Kamalan. Price ball. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni One Price. Pass to Ice. Ice. Pass to Kamalan. So good. Tony. Bang bola. Tony. Pass to Leo. Foul. Jersey number 20.
25.
Jersey number 25.
Legal contact. Stop.
Fourth personal foul na ni jersey number 25 ha. Warning for graduate. And fourth personal foul na rin ang Detrets. Warning for penalty. Alog. Wala. Wala pa rin yung palog. Si Leo. Foul. Jersey number 25. Graduate. Ibigay ang diploma. Warning. Penalty ang Kings of Kings. First row. Second row. Tingin bola. White. White ball. Ang bola po ay sa kupunan ng Kings of Kings.
Hey!
Abril, inbound the ball, pass to Escorial. Pass to Burse. Back to Escorial. Back to Abril. Pass to Burse. Ang lalim nun. Koy. Buns. Foul. Top time. Foul jersey 29. Second personal, New Jersey number 29. First team foul para sa fourth quarter. Nakuha pa rin ang red ang bola. Potsky, sa Ponce. Foul, jersey number 10. Palog. First personal, jersey number 10. Second team foul. Para sa ating fourth quarter. First row. Oh, good. 2 points made by Potsky. Bonus shot.
Stop.
Second row. First row. Anim na lang po ang kalamangan ng Kings of Kings. Sorry. Swabil. Abil. Alog. Soroni. Oli. Foul, jersey number 11. Third personal foul, jersey number 11, first team foul para sa ating fourth quarter. Uze, inbound. Miss Curiel, sumanggap ng bola, tumira ang tres. No good, rebound by Ronnie. Miss Curiel, tumira ng tres. 3 points, saved by Miss Curiel, pamatay sunog. Potsky, tumira tres. Very good, rebound by Ronnie. Palog, dire-diretso. Miss Curiel. Very good. Amalan, to Ponce. 2 points made by 1-5. Timeout, Kings of Kings. Back to the ball game. White ball. Marco. So Leo, tumira ng press. So good. Wala. Nakuha ni Koy. Koy, nagmamadali. Dire-diretso. 2 points made by Koy. 5 na lang po ang kalamangan ng Kings of Kings. Kamalan. Potsky. 2 points made by Potsky. Tatlong puntos na lang po ang kalamangan ng Kings of Kings. Curiel. So good. Ronnie. Wala ang bola. Nakuha ni Vance, pass to Pakamalan. Wala. Nakuha ni Palog. Two points made by Palog. 51-46 po ang ating score. Talagang dikit na dikit ang laban. 1-5. Leo, si Palog. Tumira ng tres, no good. Rebound by Leo. Leo. Relax lang daw. 8 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Scoriel, no good. Rebound pa rin niya. Scoriel, wala pa rin. On guys. Malaksak. 2 points made by one guys. 51-48 po ang ating puntos. Foul jersey number 23.
Let go na lang. Let go sa tawag. What the heck, it's just a game.
Second personal foul. Second team foul para sa kapunuan ng Detrets.
Oh, tatlo, rebound, isa.
Second draw, no good. Otsky. Timeout, Detrets. May tig-isa po kayo timeout. Ang dalawang ko po na, may tig-isa pang timeout. White ball, white ball. Inbound by Palog. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Leo. Wala. Rebound by Burse. Out of bounds. Ang bola ay sa Kamalan. Karte. Pasok Koy. Tumira ng 3. Koy. No good. Rebound by Potsky. Nang harang sa ilalim. Foul. Jersey number 14. Push para kay jersey number 20. Second personal foul, jersey number 14, third team foul. Para sa kupunan ng Kings of Kings. First row, no good.
Thrower, box out.
Tatlo. Dalawa. Tatlo ng team foul nyo. Rebound by Buse. Two points na lang po ang kalamangan ng last 2 minutes. Leo, no good. Nakuha ni Potsky. Nakuha ni Palog. Nahuparang pa ng sapatos. Si Burse. Hoy! Magmamadali! Tatlo na po! Time out! Back to the ball game. White ball.
Ilan team foul lang?
Team foul nyo, tatlo na. Sa kupunan ng Detrets, dalawa na ang team foul. Tatlo na ang team foul ng Kings of Kings. Sa kupunan ng Detrets, dalawa na ang team foul. Okay, inbound, jersey number 14. Oh, guwapo na! Baba! Hoy! Vance! 2 points! By Vance! Nabaliktad na po. Ang kalamangan po ngayon eh, nasa Detrets na. Good. Palog. 2 points made by Leo. May kasama pang foul. Foul, jersey number 20, Potsky. Third personal foul, third team foul. Tabla na po ulit ngayon. Laban. Mag-overtime ba? Bahala kayo. Walang bayad yan. Kamalan. Bola. Vance. Hindi pa mawala. Back. Iwan guys. Nakuha ni Duke. For the win. No good. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Polski. Kayo. Boy. Oy, wala. Nakuha ni Palom. 23 seconds to shoot. Leo. 2 points. Meda. Oh. Ito ngayon ang dalawa. Team sa teams. Hoy, tumira ang rest. Ronnie. Foul, jersey number 11. Warning for penalty na po. Warning for graduate na rin po si jersey number 11. Inbound, side ball. 5 seconds na lang po ang natitira sa ating game. Penalty. Two shots para kay jersey number 24. Two shot. So good. Rebound by Ponce. Time out. Time out. 1.3.
Sabi niyo kanina eh. Wala kayo ba? Sabi niyo kanina. Wala na.
Hindi, walang time out yun. Walang time out.
Wala na time out.
Wala nila eh.
Hindi,
Rebound yun eh.
walang dead ball eh.
Wala naman time ko lang.
Dead ball eh.
Hindi naman sinabi na walang dead ball. Pag ball possession nila, pwedeng humingi ng timeout. Walang sinabi na pag dead ball. 1.3. Oh, wala daw point. Tawad na yung point 3. Ano, NBA?
1.5 at 3 pound pa. 3 pound pa kanina.
1.5? Wala na, hindi naman ano yung point.
Patirahin na si Jun. Si Ponce.
Wala na, overtime yan. 1.3, sabi ni Boss Mission eh.
Wala tayong pambayad sa overtime.
Bahala kayo, gusto nyo mag-overtime? Oh, tayo. Tama yan.